Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video I want to show you how to download and install the APKdone to your Android TV without any problems. If you find the video helpful, like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this. So on your Android TV or TV box or Google TV, what you have to do is you go over to the download application. If you don't have download on your Android TV, check the description of this video. There is a link I have attached that is going to help you to install downloader to your Android TV. So after getting downloaded to your Android TV, just go ahead and launch it, and this is how it should look like. Once you're here, please type in this code 29081. This is the code to get the APKdone to your Android TV. So click on go or launch, and it's going to redirect you to the page. So APKdone is a page and not an app. So it's a website, and you'll be able to use the website using downloader to your Android TV. So just wait for it to be redirected, and then I will show you what to do next. So once you are here, once you've been redirected, you'll see the inside. You can download the application from here if you want. If you want, you can download the APK, or you can just directly use the site. Anyone that you use is good to go. But this is the site, and this is how it looks like. So once you are here, you can take all your time, browse to understand it, and also install applications as much as you want. If you found the video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this.